Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Sorry. You can watch, but you cannot touch. Nice, I love them. Imagine having one of them in your garden, huh? That would be nice too, but then who would feed it and take care of it? You couldn't go anywhere. Then you would need a gardener or a guy to take care of them. But I think they could be domesticated. Amazing bird. Much better than non-existent owls there and iguanas. Beautiful and elegant and somehow peaceful. They are not afraid of the big bear anymore. Filming them. Nice. Oh, the rooster will attack them. Look. Look. Ah, he's just thirsty. The rooster is the only free animal who can move between the cages. Uh-huh. He said, go away, and they went away. Bad rooster, come back. Beautiful birdies. Birdies, yeah, birdies. So this is called the Rooster Show. Rooster, yeah. He went away, birdies, don't worry. No, he just snuck behind them. Now he will attack them from the other direction. So this is a horror film. Being attacked by a rooster, the fearless one. Well, what will happen with the rooster? Come on. We haven't have all day here. We don't have all day here, yeah? Okay. I don't think they will fight each other. The rooster is still afraid to go inside the water. And how much water can they drink? Ah! I saw a girl come there before. She gave them shrimp, so they're eating shrimp now. Oh my god! They didn't like the wind also, but the tasty shrimp is there. That's why they went there. Okay, now I get it. Oh, I can be so slow sometimes. I guess they ate all the shrimp. Now they go chilling out. And there's the cat. The big. The cat is afraid of big bear. Ah, it's starting to rain again. Oh, I hate rain. Oh my god. So much rain. So much rain. Nice birdie. Ah. So they're still catching shrimp. But as I told you, they don't feed them enough. They're still white. They should be purple. Purple, I think. And there's the nice trees. Now let's go. Maybe we come back to them in the end when we have more time. They didn't like the wind also, but the tasty shrimp is there. That's why they went there. Okay, now I get it. Oh, I can be so slow sometimes. I guess they ate all the shrimp. Now they go chilling out. And there's the cat. The big. The cat is afraid of Big Bear. Ah, it's starting to rain again. Oh, I hate rain. Oh my god. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.